This exercise is about converting inch to centimeters 10 times. So you need to know how to use a loop. Public static void main, input, process, output. Let me use double data type for input, inches, with 0.0. We need one constant. Here we call it as inch to centimeter. So 2.54. Process. Let me start with a while loop. Inch less than equal to 10. We printed out inch with one tab. I will do calculation inch multiplied by constants, inch to centimeter, which is 2.54. Start with the number 1, so let me change. Inch should be 1.0. Then every time you need to repeat, so change from 1 to 3, so inch plus plus. So here you go. 1 or 2.5, 2.0, and 9.0, 10.0. Okay. Let's change to use 2 wire. So start with the 2 while loop, same condition. Make sure you end with semicolon. Everything remains same. Pretty much same. There's another loop. We can use for loop. So already have an initial value. Inch equal to 1. Condition same. Inch less than equal to 10. Increase by 1. Inch plus plus. System out println, which is same. So let me just copy. Paste it. So let's comment. Okay, same result. Okay, 1 to 10, all the way down 25.4. So this is how you use loop in Java. So this is one for loop, and then here I demonstrate. First one was a while loop, then second one to while loop. That's all. Thank you.